Welcome to this video of Work Wise series. Today, we embark on a fascinating journey into the world of artificial intelligence. A field that's not just reshaping industries but redefining the way we live, work, and interact. As we dive into the realms of AI, we'll explore how it's become a cornerstone of modern innovation, from enhancing medical diagnostics to powering the personal assistants in our smartphones. This journey is about understanding AI's role in our world and how it's crafting a new era of possibilities. Let's begin this adventure with an open mind and curiosity. In this short video, we will go over the basics, principles, and fundamentals of AI, explain necessary terminologies like machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. We will provide real-life examples of AI applications, and discuss ethical considerations of AI development and deployment. Finally, we will provide you with some ideas on how to get started with AI. Let's start by demystifying artificial intelligence. At its heart, AI is about creating machines that can perform tasks requiring human-like intelligence. These include learning from data, understanding language, recognizing patterns, and making decisions. Contrary to the image of sentient robots taking over the world, AI today is about tools like Siri helping you organize your day, or algorithms that recommend what to watch on Netflix based on your viewing history. It's technology enhancing human capabilities, not replacing them. For the time being at least, the history of AI is a journey from myth to reality. Starting with ancient automatons and evolving through the dreams of computing pioneers who believed machines could mimic human thought. The term artificial intelligence was first coined in 1956, but it's in the last decade that we've seen its true potential unfold, thanks to exponential increases in data and computing power. From the chest-beating computer, Deep Blue, to AI that can diagnose diseases, the progression of AI has been both rapid and remarkable. At its core, AI works by simulating human intelligence processes through the creation and application of algorithms encoded into computer systems. It involves three key steps: learning, reasoning, and self-correction. For instance, AI can learn from vast datasets, reason through the decision-making process, by identifying patterns or anomalies, and correct itself based on the success or failure of its outcomes. A relatable example is how Netflix uses AI to learn from your watching habits, reasons out your preferences, and then recommends shows and movies tailored to your taste. AI can be broadly categorized into three types. Narrow AI, which is designed for specific tasks like voice recognition. General AI, which has the cognitive abilities of a human, capable of learning and applying knowledge across a wide range of tasks. And superintelligent AI, which surpasses human intelligence across all aspects. Currently, what we interact with daily, such as Siri and Google Maps, is narrow AI. These systems excel in their specific tasks but don't possess understanding beyond their programming. AI is not a future technology. It's here, embedded in our daily lives. Consider the spam filter in your email, the personalized recommendations from Amazon, or the facial recognition on your smartphone. Each of these technologies uses AI to make our lives easier and more efficient. They learn from the data we provide, adapt to our behaviors, and predict our needs with increasing accuracy. AI is the invisible hand guiding much of our digital world, from simplifying tasks to providing life-saving medical diagnoses. AI is built on two fundamental components: data and algorithms. Data is the lifeblood of AI, providing the raw material from which insights and learning emerge. Algorithms are the set of rules that guide the analysis and decision-making process of AI systems. Together, they enable AI to perform tasks ranging from simple calculations to complex decision-making. One example of it is the AI used in weather prediction algorithms, which analyze data from sensors worldwide to forecast weather conditions accurately. Machine learning, a subset of AI, is where the magic happens. It's the process that allows computers to learn from and make decisions based on data. Unlike traditional programming, where tasks are explicitly coded, machine learning algorithms enable computers to learn and improve from experience. Consider the way YouTube recommends videos. By analyzing data on what you've watched and enjoyed before, it learns your preferences and suggests similar content you might like. Deep learning takes AI a step further. It's a technique that teaches computers to process inputs through layers in order to recognize patterns, akin to how a human brain operates. This approach is behind the voice recognition systems used by virtual assistants like Alexa. By processing millions of voice samples, they learn to understand and respond to voice commands, making the technology more intuitive and user-friendly. Natural language processing, or NLP, is how AI technologies understand and interact with human language. From translating languages in real time on platforms like Google Translate to powering the conversational abilities of chatbots, NLP breaks down the barriers between human communication and computer understanding. It's what allows us to ask Siri for the weather forecast and receive a response as if from another human. Computer vision is the AI technology that enables computers to interpret and understand the visual world. Using digital images from cameras and videos and deep learning models, it can identify and classify objects, and then make decisions based on what it sees. Self-driving cars use computer vision to navigate traffic, identifying obstacles, and pedestrians to make safe driving decisions. As AI becomes more prevalent, ethical considerations become increasingly important. How do we ensure AI respects privacy and avoids bias? How do we mitigate job displacement? These questions highlight the need for ethical guidelines in AI development and deployment. It's about creating technology that benefits humanity, respects our rights, and enhances our collective well-being. Several initiatives have been launched, including some national and international standards and guidelines. The AI Risk Management Framework launched by NIST, the National Institute of Standard and Technologies, is one of those initiatives. The impact of AI on the workforce is profound, automating routine tasks and creating new roles that require advanced skills. While some jobs may become obsolete, AI also opens up opportunities for innovation and the creation of new industries. The key for professionals is to adapt, acquiring skills that AI complements rather than replaces, such as creative problem solving and emotional intelligence. The future of AI is filled with potential. From revolutionizing healthcare with personalized treatments to tackling climate change through advanced modeling. However, this future also raises concerns about privacy, security, and the ethical use of technology. Balancing the promise of AI with these concerns requires a collaborative effort among developers, policymakers, and the public to guide AI's development responsibly. Embarking on an AI learning journey is accessible to everyone. With online courses, podcasts, and articles, learning the basics of AI and machine learning has never been easier. Start with understanding the principles of data science, explore machine learning through simple projects, and join online communities to stay engaged. Your journey into AI doesn't require a tech background, just curiosity and the drive to explore. Thank you for joining us on this short journey through the world of artificial intelligence. We've explored its foundations, applications, and the ethical considerations it brings into our lives. AI is a tool, a powerful one, that, when used responsibly, can enhance our capabilities and help us solve some of the world's most challenging problems. As we continue to navigate this evolving landscape, let's approach AI with curiosity, mindfulness, and a commitment to using technology for the greater good. Thank you.